Today I'm going to show you two different ways that you can add music to your Facebook story. Steph Parisi here, and I teach business owners how to get more clicks and views on their Facebook stories to make more sales. Check out my 25-minute workshop on how to do this. All right, so let's open up Facebook and let me show you how to do this. We'll dive right in. So as you can see on my screen here, I'm just clicking to open up Facebook, and then I'm going to click the button that says Create Story. And then here you can see at the top some different options. Okay, so if you're brand new to Facebook stories, check out this tutorial that's popping up above. But so the first way that you can add music to your story is just to hit this music button. Okay, now it's gonna pull up different music here. And if you click on any of these, you can actually test out the music. Okay, so you can play it, see if you like it. Okay, so say I want to do Joyful Mood here. I'm going to click on it and then it's going to pull this option up for me. Okay. So I could just add the background, okay, of different colors. And then here on the side, follow that beginner's tutorial if you want to see how to add in a bunch of different things here to this. Okay. So you could draw, you could do whatever. Okay. So that is the first way to add music to your Facebook story. The other way is if you want to add the video or the photo first and then add the music on. So let's click this arrow to discard this story and do it that way. Okay, so we're going to go back. So here we are. Again, we would click to create the story, and then I'm going to grab a video. Okay, so let me grab a video. Here I am at the beach. Beautiful day. Love living where the sun is shining. And then at the top here, if you click sound, that is going to give you music options, okay? Or I can click sticker and click to add music, okay? So let's just go back. Let's click sound, okay? Here, it's going to give you control. So you can control how much camera audio you have. Okay, so say I don't want the waves to be too loud, and then I'm going to click to add in the music, okay? So I'm in a joyful mood because of that, so I'm going to add that one on, okay? And then come up here, click the done button, okay? And then that allows me to add in this music to it. Now, if you don't like it saying joyful mood here, like if you want to change that music sticker, you just tap on it, okay? And then it's going to allow you to pick which part of the song you want to be in your story, okay? So that's important, okay? So the stars here highlight key areas of the song that you might like, okay? So you can adjust to where you want the music to be added. Then to change the sticker that says joyful mood, I am going to, this is where you would just totally remove it. Okay. The song will play in your story without any additional text, or you can toggle. Okay. So as you toggle, it's going to just give you different options of what it will look like. I hope that you found this tutorial helpful. Hit that like button or leave me a comment if you have a question.